How to delete old WhatsApp messages permanently. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete old WhatsApp messages permanently. Firstly, open the WhatsApp application on your device. Here, tap to open the conversation where you want to delete messages. Now long press the message that you want to delete and select the option of delete from the given list. It will allow you to select multiple messages. Select all the messages that you want to delete. Once you're done, tap on Delete for Me. Doing this will permanently delete the messages that you have selected. You can repeat the same process for other conversations as well to get rid of extra data. Also, check out our video on how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.